Yo, what's going on YouTube? TechnicallyTee, and you already know what time it is. Episode 3, YouTube series, man, Uncut. And we got to talk about the authenticity out here in these YouTube streets. And yes, the do-rag is on my head. I know a lot of you say, oh, you're trying to be a fake thug. But look, if you think I'm trying to be a fake thug just because I got a do-rag on my head, you might want to click up off this channel, man, because it is what it is. And I'm always going to keep it authentic. That's the whole point of this video right here. Now, when I'm talking about keeping authentic, man, we're going a little bit different. We diving a little bit deeper than just your thing, and I'm going to use tech YouTube as an example. If you get a product, most people say, oh, no matter if the product was sent to me or no matter if I bought it, I'm always going to give my raw opinion. Look, everybody knows that. We're not really talking about that, man. We're going to dive a little bit deeper than that. Now, this video can either be for future creators or it can be for people who are already out there creating content, man. You need to check out what I'm about to say. And you need to ask yourself a question. Who are you out here making content for, man? Are you making it for yourself to give your raw thoughts and opinions about whatever you reviewing, whatever you got going on, whatever your topic is over YouTube? And it's just not tech related, man. This can be for many different topics on YouTube. Are you doing it for yourself and are you giving your audience your real deal? Or are you playing the other side of the fence, man, and you're kind of catering your words to please a company or a person or whatever? Are you not giving your raw deal because you're trying to please this person, kissing up? Basically what I'm saying is, man, are you trying to be fake or are you trying to be real? Let's go ahead and get down to the end of it. Now, this topic is very important to me, man, because when I started this YouTube channel, I had to tell myself, like, yo, T, no matter where this channel goes, you need to always stay true to yourself and stay true to the people who watch you, because once you lose that credibility of being real and people can see you as easily being swayed, man, that messes up. I think that messes up your brand, man. And personally, I'd rather be found as somebody like, yo, T, he may not have the biggest subscriber count and all that, man, but I'm gonna tell you what, he always gonna keep it real in his videos. Or you wanna see somebody with 100,000 subscribers that you like, yo, he's kind of flip-flop, he's kind of clickbaited us, he's kind of said some suspect things that he normally doesn't say, and it just seems like he may be doing that to please someone. So therefore, your brand may be a little bit on the wishy-washy side when it comes to them, because they don't know whether to trust your opinion, not because you're all over the place. And I think everyone needs to take this content creator wise, man. You need to take this into consideration, man, because you're making these videos, no matter what you think, no matter how big or small you are in numbers on YouTube, you are an influencer. People will follow you. People will buy products that you recommend. If you say the product is good, they're gonna go out there and spend hundreds and these days thousands of dollars on said product just off the strength of you saying it's good. But if you're saying that product A, you always loved product A was always your thing, but product B may can offer you a little more growth. It may can offer you just a little more oomph to get you over the edge and get recognized out there. So I'm gonna be like, no, I think I like product B more now. No. You always been a product A fan. I'm not saying you can change your mind, man, but are you swaying what you're saying about this product because they want you to do this? Are you saying this because that's the right thing to say in order to, if you want to deal with us, you gotta say this? Like, no, nobody's doing that, man. I said this on Twitter. Now, I'm not sure if the words are the exact same, but I'll post a tweet up here somewhere. But I said, the moment that your thought process is easily swayed, you're no longer authentic. And I'm being real to that, man, because if you can get bought, if you can get your mind swayed to just satisfy a company, then what's your worth? That's what you have to live with now. Do you want to live with saying like, yo, I didn't really like this product, but I mean, they were offering me this, so I had to say what I had to say? Or on the other side of the fence, do you want to be like, look, you're going to burn bridges if you say this, but one thing I'm going to say is I'm being true and I'm being real. Which one do you want to do? You know what I mean? We all want to grow on YouTube, no question about that. We all want to get brand deals. We all want to be, and especially in the tech field, we all want to be noticed by these brands, but at the same time, how do you want them to notice you? Do you want them to notice you for somebody who's being raw and authentic, or do you want them to notice you as somebody who's always brown-nosing their brand when technically they don't even feel that way about them, but they're just saying it so they can cater them? Like, which one do you want to be, man? So the thing I'm saying is, and this topic can get pushed and pulled many different ways, but what I'm saying is, man, always stay true to yourself and to your audience no matter what. Now, if you choose that other road to where you want to be easily swayed by said company or something like that, then by all means, do what you want to do. Run your channel how you want to run your channel. And as I always say on this channel, I'm no professional. but this is how I've been running things, and I feel like this is one of the more ethical ways of running things, and that's always be authentic and true to yourself, man, because the moment your audience feels like you're being true and authentic, they can't take you as a real person. They don't know what you're liable to do or what you're liable to say, because I can't trust your word because you're all over the spectrum. You see what I'm saying? So, and that's why I always said, how are you trying to grow and how are you trying to move out here in YouTube? Do you want to do it for yourself or you want to do it for somebody else, man? You need to ask yourself that question. And then when you say that answer, you need to stay true to it, especially if you're out here saying that you want to do that real deal and give people what you really feel. And if you want to live that other style to where, you know, you're just trying to get recognition and you're trying to grow and you want to get on this whatever, this bandwagon in order to get to the top, yo, by all means do that, man. But me, I'd rather take the slow route. I'd rather grind. I'd rather get it how I want to get it because it's the real deal. I don't want to give you guys a fake opinion. You see what I'm saying? And that almost got something to do with this do-rag. Everybody always talk about, yo, you know, you shouldn't really wear that do-rag because that might give you a negative image out here. Yo, look, I don't care what image it gives out here. I have this on because hair care, waves, different things like this. You act like I got this on to be a thug. If you think I have a do-rag on to be a thug, that says a lot about yourself in a whole, point blank period. If you think I have this on because I'm trying to be so-called hard, then get about this video, man, because that's not what it is at all. This is about how I feel. This is me. And that's what I'm gonna give YouTube. I'm always gonna give YouTube me. I'm not gonna be like, well, let me take this off because I don't know, this company may be watching me. You know, I'm not doing that. I got this on because I need to have it on. And if I want to have it on when I'm recording a video, I'm gonna have it on when I record a video because why? I'm always gonna give you me and I'm gonna always give you the real deal, man. So this is basically what episode 3 is about, man. Authenticity. Who are you making videos for? You making it for yourself? You making it for someone else? If you make it for yourself, man, it's gonna make you feel a lot comfortable when you're making these videos, and I think you'll last longer on YouTube. But if you're making it to cater to somebody else that's not yourself, hey man, you gotta live with that. And personally, I can't live with that on me. I'd rather be real to my subscribers, man, because you take the time to watch my videos. The least I can do is give you the real deal and don't give you a swayed opinion by some higher up, man. But TechnicallyTee, man, let me know what you feel in the comment section below. How are your thoughts, man? Let me know. Am I real? Do y'all guys think I'm real in the comment section? I think I keep it pretty real when it comes to my videos. And one thing about me, and I'm telling y'all, man, that'll never change. So let me know what you think in the comments, man. Another episode down. Episode 4 should be coming out next Sunday. Hopefully this one might be a late Sunday upload. If not, I'll put it out on Monday night, so who knows what time it's gonna come out, man. But TechnicallyTee, we about to get up out of here, man. Later.